halata mo naman if yung something na inaral mo lang or for the sake of performance or kung talagang innate na sa'yo.
Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I'm Niley.
Good morning mga kabalitaan.
May bagga-bigat kada kayo amin.
For today's vlog ay papanoorin natin ang naging full performance ng isa sa mga delegates for the upcoming Miss World Philippines 2024 which will happen tomorrow night. Kagabi kasi nagkaroon sila ng top model and national costume competition. Bago tayo tumungo sa ating reaction ay magkakaroon muna tayo ng Shara! Ibabalik yung ang shout out na may aura. So ayan, hello and good morning, good afternoon, good evening kay Vem Angelie.
Shara kay Sampagita Be.
Judy Ann Kamanian.
Shara kay Sally Jane Rasunabe.
And also lastly kay Mian Cruz. So ayan, and without any further ado, let's watch this. Very festive. Ito yung nagustuhan ko sa kanilang national costume competition.
Napaka ano mo?
Yes.
Wow! The movement!
Yes.
Wow! La, tumatay balahibo ko.
Nakaka-proud.
Very, very authentic.
Kasi siya yun eh, di ba? Bukidnon!
Grabe talaga yun. Nag-stick yung balay-balay.
Oo, yung kanyang intro. And then, nakaka-proud na, you know, makikita mo kasi kapag sinu-showcase ng isang beauty queen yung culture, yung heritage niya, na siya talaga. Kasi yung galaw, very natural. It doesn't show na parang praktisado, yung gano'n. Diba? Ang galing.
I mean, halata mo naman if yung something na inaral mo lang or kumbaga for the sake of performance or kung talagang innate na sa'yo na palagi mong ginagawa siya as a part of your culture. Plus, I want to highlight na seldom lang talaga yung kukuha ka ng authentic na national costume and you will present it on stage. Malaking bagay yun.
Kudos to Miss World. Kasi
yes,
parang halos ganun yung mga national costume nila. And congratulations to, again, to our Dolly Cruz. Kasi kasama siya sa top 10 finalists for the national costume. Designer. Wow. Let's mention the designer, Juniel Doring.
Ang galing kasi yung piece niya, yung upper piece niya, nagko-complement dun sa movement. So para siyang clock na nagsisway-sway.
And the color. Bagay sa kanya yung kulay niya yan. Na ganyan lang. Sobrang na-happy ako doon kasi alam naman natin na hindi talaga siya katangkaran. Pero with that outfit, with that gown,
as in parang slender.
It complements her her height na mas nagmukha siyang top model. Kung kaya naman ay napasama ulit siya doon sa top 9 top models finalists. Wow. And then the winner will be announced tomorrow night. Tsaka automatically papasok na rin siya sa semi-finalist, making her, you know, securing 7 spots of fast track finalist na nandun siya. Parang ganon. Unfortunately, ginawa naman talaga niya yung best niya, no? Very serious.
Pero in fairness, maganda pa rin siya dyan sa gown na yan.
But the gown itself,
yung
parang
medyo,
I don't buy it. Parang
a bit heavy yung color para sa kanya.
Yung kulay, hindi nagko-complement dun sa kanyang physical feature, sa kanyang height, ganon. Pero we're so happy na...
Pero kasi yun, hindi yun fault nung candidate kasi yung inassign nung designer.
Hindi natin alam kung yun yung inassign, nagbunutan ba sila or whatsoever. Pero kung sa part niya, ginawa naman niya yung best niya, na-project din naman siya ng maayos. Yan, nadala naman niya ng maayos yung gown. It's just that it was not the perfect gown sana for her.
For her.
Buti na lang yung unang gown was so perfect. Then, sobrang nag-compliment yun lang. Sobrang napawaw din talaga ako dun na wow, yung hindi siya...
Unique siya kasi, tsaka talagang head turner na titignan mo talaga, ay, wala, kakaiba yung gown.
Congratulations pa rin. We're so happy, though hindi siya nakakuha ng mga special awards, ng mga corporate awards, ay, diba, na-secure naman niya kagabi yung 3 spot na dun sa Fast Track, which was the multimedia, the national costume, and also this top model. So, congratulations again to our 3-in-1 queen, our attorney, teacher, and
napaka-achiever talaga.
Competitive yun. Sobra. Thank you so much, guys. At sinamahan niyo nung Quest na nagdaang reaction. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you'll get updated on our next updates, and share din na rin tong video.
Ayun guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!